Namaste, hello and happy new year to everyone. Wonderful to see you all on this lovely new year. And I know most of us, we have resolutions. Most of us, we thought that we'll change something going through this year and see this year as the best year in our life. What to do, how to do, I'm going to give you a formula known as the miracle formula. Trust me, this is transformative. And step by step, I'll take you through each one of the steps and you can do magic and manifest miracle in your life. Namaste, my name is Sandeep Dash. I have been helping people, traveling through them and guiding them through the ancient processes, ancient wisdom, and help them transform their life, specifically on the basis of the chakras, the energy fields, and curated a model or a module known as the Cosmic Healing and Quantum Manifestation Healing Module, wherein people practice and transform their life. If you want to know more on this, you can just click on the link given in the description and go through the masterclass, which gives you more details on this aspect. Let's look at the miracle formula, and this year I'm wishing you all to change your life applying this miracle formula. As I said, miracle will start with M, and this M is about your mind. Trust me, if your mind is not in shape, not changing, you cannot change. And this is not just the mere mind we are talking about. The first step, you can take it down. The first step is the mindful access of the unlimited mind. Mindful access of the unlimited mind, that's the first step. And when I'm going to give you the steps or the practices, I would give you the basic one. But actually when we practice, we work at the energy level, at the deepest level inside. To start with, let's first know the basic part. Mindful aspect of or access to the unlimited mind, there is a little practice. Here we are changing our mind, rather we are flushing out the unwanted things from the mind to make the mind unlimited, to have access to that power of the mind which can help us grow and change. The practice here is you have to flush out all those negativities. So with a breath, you're feeling the glowing radiance of the consciousness of the universe is flowing in through you. Feel that. As you breathe in, the glowing radiance of the consciousness flowing and removing all those toxicities from the mind, taking away, dissolving all negativities, and all the toxins, all the impurities of mind are evaporated, and you are glowing as a radiant, bright light. This is when you're breathing in. And when you're breathing out, the glow and radiance of that light is expanding and connecting you to the ultimate intelligence, to the divine creative powers to recreate your mind so that you can grow through this year. Do this practice, and when we do it with the energy field, we get to the chakra known as the Agya chakra, the third eye chakra. With the power of that chakra, we practice this whole practice. But for now, go through step number 1, that is mindful access of the unlimited mind. Now coming to step number 2, again a very powerful step, very important. You need to redesign your life in this year, and this is also identity redesign. In miracle, after M it is I, so I for identity redesign. Change your identity, recreate your identity. And for this, I'm going to talk about 3 powerful steps or 3 powerful techniques. Technique number 1, you can take it down. It is inner vision technique or visualization technique. See yourself as the new you. How you want to see yourself? They say Drishti Shrishti Vada. As you see, so it would be. So look at yourself, close your eyes, see yourself through this year, how you are growing, how you are earning more money, how you are doing better in your relationship. All these things see in your mind with the power of visualization. Next, inner voice or affirmations. Very, very important. When we do this practice at the advanced levels, we do it with the deeper energy fields. But now you just can do it plain affirmation. Write down what you want to be. What are the things that you want to get this year? All these things, take them down and start memorizing them and speaking them inside you. Silently rehearse them, and you would see the change would happen. They say if you cannot see, you say, and you start seeing the shift inside. And the third one, we say inner touch or inner feeling. Not just that you see, not just that you repeat the affirmation, you feel that inside. If you are seeing that you are going to be fit this year, see the fitness, feel the fitness, and say, I am fit. So with inner vision, inner voice, and inner feeling, change yourself. Redesign your identity. So I stands for identity redesign. This year, do change your identity, not just at the superficial level, but at the deepest level. Now we come to the third one, miracle, M-I, and the third letter is R. It is relate with deep connect. Nurture your relationships. Very, very important aspect. They say relationship is one of the key ingredients for your happiness. If you are not having meaningful relationships in your life, you are not likely to be happy in life. So in order to develop that, you need to first learn one of the aspects known as empathy. Just not see what you want, see what others also expect from you. Read their mind, look at their emotion, and see how the emotions can be connected to and how you can change them. We say one simple practice can help you do this. Look at the gap in them. If someone is having some kind of challenge in life, find out that little challenge and try to fulfill that. Trust me, this can really change the relationship. Look at their aspiration, where they're struggling. Give them that little support and see they're changing. You can also inspire people by giving them a good book. So start connecting with others, understand their lack and fulfill that lack. Connect with deeper level. So relate with deep connect. So R stands for relating to someone with deep connect. That person may be your partner, husband or wife, child, parent, whosoever. Connect and see the transformation. Support and see the change and see the reciprocation. You would see when you help others, others also connect with you and help you. So after R, we come to A in miracle. This formula is literally a miracle formula. Just follow this year and see the change happening. And if you till this point in time loving this flow, do subscribe to the channel so that you can get more and more such content in the future. Now as we come to A is acceptance and gratitude. Trust me, this can be life transforming. One of the scientists in the area of happiness, the science of happiness, it's a booming field now, Sonia Lubomirsky, who says that gratitude is the meta strategy for happiness. That means if you're having a state of gratitude, a state of inner gratitude all the times, you would see changes happening in your life itself. And acceptance, so important, not just for you to be happy, also for your growth. Unless you accept certain things in life, you get stuck, you cannot move further. So acceptance and gratitude are important. What you can do, what is the step, what is the technique? In fact, as I said, in our cosmic healing and quantum manifestation process, we go to a chakra known as the Anahata chakra, the heart chakra, and in that chakra we focus and do the practice of acceptance and gratitude, and it just flows. Now what you can do as a practice at the basic level, look at those things which are troubling you and write them down, and after writing them down, you can just say, I dissolve this. You can tear up that paper or just burn it up somewhere and throw the ashes, flow them in a water. But more than this action, you just feel, I'm getting freedom from all these things which I was trapped in, and now they are burned to ashes and I have just surrendered them. Similarly, find out the reason to express your gratitude. Every morning as you get up, just find out who should you say thank you based on yesterday's experience. Find out those 3 people or 5 people whom you should say thank you. It can be your wife who has given you a great cup of tea yesterday, or it can be somebody outside who just helped you for some little thing, or even just thank someone like the person who's cleaning your house, or your guard, or somebody who is teaching you something or giving you some little help anywhere. Find out reasons to express your gratitude, and you'd see your heart will filled with love and happiness. So acceptance and gratitude are important practices which should do. And as I said, with the practice of Anahata chakra, the flow of the divine energy of Vayu Tattva through Anahata, these happen seamlessly and you get to the next level. Now, after A, it comes, the next is C. In Miracle, C. C stands for contribution with creativity. So it's creative contribution with value. What exactly does it mean? Whatever you're doing, whether you're in a job, whether you're in a business, or you are, let's say, your homemaker or a student, you are contributing in some way. Now make that contribution magnificent. Maximize the value through that by applying your creativity. Now, one reality of life, if you give, you get. If you get, you have to give something. And they say there is no free lunch, right? So if you're giving and getting is happening simultaneously, that means if you're earning your salary, you have to give something. Or if you're earning your profit through business, you have to give something. Some offering is there. Now, this year, change this aspect like this. Your focus is not on the money you are earning or not the return you are getting, but the focus is on your giving. Trust me, this is going to change your life. If you're focusing on the quality that you're giving, the best thing that you're giving, and improving upon that, you would see your earning will multiply. That's what people have reported, and we do this with 4 of the energy centers, and we see magical results. People work on their Manipura with the power to contribute, to create value. They work with their Anahata, with the love of the give, without any kind of greed, and they receive with a lot of joy, and with the power of Vishuddha, they communicate the value they create, and with the power of the Agya chakra, they see the best of thing being created with the highest creative energy. So all of these you can also do at the basic level by focusing on what you are giving and creatively thinking how I can improve a bit tomorrow. As they say, look at your product little better than today. When you go to tomorrow, you see a better one. Your service is improving every day, even by a tiny bit. So focusing on what you are contributing, you would see you would grow and you would be happy as well. In the miracle formula, we have reached L now. And L is life energy balance. When I say life energy balance, it's about our own body and the flow, the physiology that we have. We have to look at 3 things and ensure this year you are taking care of this. 1, the physical fitness. Every day without fail, you should take some time for fitness, exercising. And one simple technique I would be asking you to do, it's an easier one. You need not go for complete 30 minutes, 40 minutes or 1 hour of workout. If you cannot do that even, every hour, take a break of just 3 minutes. 3 minutes. And first minute is about walking. Just walk for 1 minute. If you can make it a little more, like 5 minutes of walk every hour, even better, but at least 1 minute of walk. Yeah, that is first. Second one is taking a glass of water every hour. Take a glass of water and drink it with a lot of joy, not just mechanically gulping down, just take it with a flow and feeling that this water is energizing you, loving you, giving you kind of nourishment. Similarly, finally, breathe for 1 minute. Take a moment and breathe for 1 minute. Again, every breath as if it is nourishing you, loving you, blessing you, and giving you that kind of energy inside. So you are doing just 3 minutes to recharge your energy inside. Taking 1 minute of walk, feeling that this walk is actually energizing you and nourishing you. Then taking a glass of water and breathing. Just 3 minutes. If you can make it a little more, walking for about 3-4 minutes, even better. So every hour, take a break of 5 to 10 minutes. Or minimum you can take 3 minutes break. That's life energy balance. You are rebalancing. Our life goes out of balance unless we take charge, we intervene out there. So just this 3 minutes with the energy of earth element, through the Muladhara we do it. With the energy of water element, at the Swadhisthana and with the energy of Vayu Tattva at the Anahata. So at the advanced level we do that, but even if you are not convergent with the chakras, just do it as I mentioned. So we have come to the last one, very, very important, and you need to take charge of this. It is about your emotions, emotional harmony that you need to bring in this year. So starting from M, now we are coming to E, is that emotional harmony that you need to start with. And the technique here is check which is that emotion which is troubling you the most. Is it anger? Is it fear? Sadness? Is it combination of something and anxiety is coming? Stress is there? Take charge of that. And for that, the simplest of techniques that I am going to share with you is bring your breath into action. Meaning, observe yourself. Whenever you are feeling a little agitated inside with any of the emotions, including when you are feeling greedy when you see food, or when you are feeling a little angry when you say somebody is criticizing, just take a pause and look at your own self. Look inward. What is the rate of your heart? What is the pace of your breathing? How is the feeling happening inside? Just take a break of 15 seconds. Focus on 3 things. On your body, how does it feel? Where is some disturbances happening? And look at your breath. Is the breath same or has it changed? And also look at your own mind. What is it thinking? So at your body, at your breath, at your mind, take a pause and then say silently, I am changing my emotion and responding appropriately. By that time you would see there would be some change happening inside. So harmonizing your emotion is for your good. By expressing your anger or feeling guilty, sad, it doesn't help anyone. So emotion harmony or emotion channelization is the last of the 7 powerful techniques, the miracle techniques. So the miracle techniques, let's revisit and take a pledge today. You just need to think about these 7 things and bring them to your life this year. Starting with the mindful access to the unlimited mind, practice that. Next, identity redesign. Change your inner vision, inner voice, inner touch or inner feeling for who you are, what you are. Next, relate with deep connect. Relate with another with empathy. And next, acceptance and gratitude. Then it is creative contribution. Focus on what you're giving, not what you're getting. You will see when you're focusing on giving, you will get multiple times. And then we come to life energy balance. Harmonizing the things happening inside, the 3 minutes practice I mentioned, and finally emotion channelization or emotion harmony by checking your emotion and changing your emotion. Do these 7 things. You'll see this year will be wonderful, beautiful, and may God bless you, your family, and everyone. Let this be a wonderful year for all of us. If you love this, do subscribe to the channel and keep watching. Let's grow together and help people around us to grow together. Thank you. Have a wonderful time.